Hi everybody and welcome to May, right? April showers bring May flowers. So today we're going to talk about Mayflower Granny Power. And in this 31-day series, I'm going to share my favorite flower granny square projects with you. I love these groovy, fun project ideas, and with the warmer weather, granny projects are perfect. They're small, easy to bring along on trips, and nice to save up for cooler weather to piece together. So let's get started. Hi everybody. So today's square, granny square, is this crochet rose square. So this is beautiful. This is the crochet cottage garden rose square. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up. It's another Etsy pattern by Woolly Ba Crochet. Gotta love that name. That's funny, the Woolly Ba. Yeah, so it's $2.83 for this pattern, and the rose is just so pretty, isn't it? I just think it's lovely. I love the colors, and I love how it's put together. And I want to take a look at some other photos of it. So here it is done in dark pinks and light pinks and even some reds and purple. So that would be lovely together too. I believe there's a picture of those kind of put together. Yes. Isn't that pretty how those are all put together? So it looks really nice, you know, in just the 2 or 3 tones that we have here. As well as multicolored. This one's very elegant looking to me. I love this. This would make a really nice wedding gift, in my opinion. I think it's really pretty. So let's read a little bit about it. Curious to see what they list for difficulty rating. That's always my first go-to. How hard is it? It says the skill level is easy. It is written in US terms, and each square is about 4 inches, which is good to know, so that you can determine how many you need to make your project as big as you want. It looks like the reviews are good. I'm a beginner in crochet, and this pattern was clear and easy for me to follow, so that's pretty nice to hear. Beautiful pattern, worked up easy. I had no issues. Pattern was great to follow. I made 1 square to try it out, but I absolutely love it. It's going to be a blanket for a gift. And this last one says it was exactly the rose shape I was looking for. So here's some different photos from people who have made this pattern, and they all look really beautiful. So this makes me want to try it. It really does. I love this pattern, and I really do love it in this gray and white. I think that's beautiful. I also love the edges of this blanket pattern. So yeah, check this one out. It's by the Woolly Ba, and I will see you tomorrow for some more great groovy granny square flower patterns. All right, everybody, good night.